C.A.R.E.S Crew is a program that we have here at Westchester that is pre-K through 12, where all of our students are matched up with a younger buddy and an older buddy together, and they partner as we do community service activities and events all throughout the year, where we focus on compassion, responsibility, empathy, and serving our community. Today in C.A.R.E.S Crew, we're doing one of my favorite events of the year, and it is a giving back event where we are doing 3 different rotations of different activities to serve local communities. One is where we are making toiletry bags for an organization that is the Cooperative Community Ministry out of Thomasville, and they are going to be bags that have all kinds of like toiletry items and things that they can use for the warm weather, and each big buddy and younger buddy will make several bags. Then we have a wonderful activity with crafts where we are making, our older students are making placemats for Meals on Wheels, and our younger students are making heart ornaments that they will hang on the cancer patients' treatment rooms when they're getting treatment. We also will be able to share a Thanksgiving meal together where they get to communicate and have a social time where they can pour into each other, and all of our leftover food as well as a plate of every item we made will also be donated to the shelter that we are sponsoring.
Parent volunteer, I'm here with C.A.R.E.S Crews. Every year we collect items that we give to the homeless. And so we're here to just kind of separate things, kind of keep a little bit of organization, and we're packing kits to take to the homeless. And so we are here with the kids volunteering just to make sure everything goes smoothly. And this is a big part of one of their events that they do, and so I feel like it's important to volunteer for the school and kind of help out, give back.
And we're going to try to see how many care kits we can make. You think we can make 50? You think we can make 100?
Okay. What scent soap do we want?
And it's slide your fingers.
Yeah. This one's lavender. I like lavender. I'm getting that.
No, you gotta learn it though. That's the new thing. Yeah.
That one's lavender too, I think. Okay. Toothpaste. What flavor do we want? We were making care packages for people with like socks and soap and chapstick and gloves.
We get to hang out with the older kids and sometimes eat lunch. Yeah, and just get to talk to them. We put some beads on a pipe cleaner, and then we put the tag on inside. Yeah, and you can make it a heart. They look so good.
The most fun part for me is actually seeing the buddies with their older buddies, and they come through and they give, and they're excited to give back. They're excited to fill these bags because they know that at some point they're going to be doing good for somebody else, and the excitement and enthusiasm is what brings me back.
Would you rather wear a cozy sweater or picking apples?
Cozy sweater or pick apples?
Cozy sweater or pick apples.
I don't know. Can it be both? Can I wear a cozy sweater while picking apples?
Being a part of the Westchester community is so special with our service component. We do so many things to be able to partner with local area communities, and it's really a part of who we want our students to be, what we want them to learn, and for them to understand how important it is to give back.
I am grateful for Westchester as a whole. As a parent and as a volunteer, I feel like this is a community that I will be involved in for a long time. The teachers and the staff here are fabulous, and they do everything they can to make my son succeed, and I will forever be grateful for that.